Whenever Jenny hikes, she hikes at the same speed. She goes 1/2 of a mile every 15 minutes, which is the same as 1/4 of an hour. How far does she hike in 1 hour? How about every 2 hours? And if she doesn't stop or slow down, how far would she walk in 40 hours? Well, let's just start with 1 hour. We can divide that hour into fourths. And we know that every fourth of an hour, she's going to walk 1/2 of a mile. Now, because we have this nice little table drawn, we're going to think about combining the half miles. Also, 1 plus 1 is 2, if you didn't know that. Now we change the fourths into a whole hour, and we have a simple 2 miles for every 1 hour. Now this table is a little upside down because you'll usually see the 1 on the bottom. That way we can say 2 miles per hour. How far would she walk in 2 hours? We just have to multiply the number of hours by 2, which comes out to be 4. And to find out how many miles she could hike in 40 hours, we just have to multiply 40 by 2, which comes out to 80. However, in real life, she would probably have to stop to sleep. This next unit, as far as what we're learning in math, is going to be all about taking rates like this and simplifying them into something more like this. Now, if a snail moves at 25 feet per every 1/3 of an hour, how far would that snail go in 1 whole hour if it doesn't change its speed? If you said 75 feet, you are correct. That means the snail moves at 75 feet per hour. Now, what we've been talking about are actually called unit rates. Here are some examples. 120 miles per hour, that's how fast Mr. Reyes runs. 32 feet per minute. $10.45 per hour. Or $25 per roll of toilet paper. Now, if you look closely, you can see that all of these have the word per in them. So, whenever a rate has the word per, it is a unit rate, correct? Nope. What matters more than the word per is the fact that the second number is always 1. 120 miles per 1 hour, 320 feet per 1 minute, and so on. Here are some rates that are not unit rates. During this unit, we will learn to change them into unit rates. $4 per bag of 3 potatoes, 1/2 mile per 1/4 of an hour, 3 pounds gained for every 1/2 month of COVID-19.